Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all safe in your homes. Today we are going to start a lesson subject maths. In the previous class you have learned about the shapes. Let us recall those shapes. What are the basic shapes we have learned in the previous classes? Those are rectangle, triangle, square, circle, etc. Okay, students, we know that we are surrounded by the objects in our daily life. Most of these objects represent one shape or other shape. Those are maybe your football, water bottle, your mobile tab, or ice cream, or any gift box. So, I have a question for you. Make a list of those objects in your home whom you observe: your TV, your home carpet, or your tab or mobile. Make a list of those objects of your choice. Identify their shape. So we can say here are some objects like your sofa, a plant in your home pot, wall hanger, window, books, book rack, television, drawer, switch, and carpet. So try to identify their shape, which shape it is. Maybe it is rectangle or circle or square or a triangle. Rectangle, circle, square and triangle. Square. Square properties of plane shapes in which we choose here square. Square has 4 sides and 2 diagonals and 4 corners. A square has 4 sides, 4 corners, all sides are equal, both the diagonals are equal. And rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides, 4 corners and 2 diagonals. A rectangle has 4 sides, 4 corners, opposite sides are equal, both the diagonals are equal. Now triangle. A triangle contains 3 sides and 3 corners. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Now come to circle. Circle. Circle is like a shape of your watch, has no sides, no corners.
Have you ever eaten a crackjack biscuit? Have you observed its shape? Which shape it contains? Yes, it's in square shape. And the other biscuits also in rectangular shape. Can you tell me the name of sweet that is round in shape? Yes, very good. It's a laddu. And your favorite snack samosa in which shape? Yes, it is in triangle shape.
About these solid shapes also. What are those solid shapes? Those are cube, cuboid, sphere, cylinder and cone. Like you can see here, these are the examples which we use in our daily life. This cone is like a ice cream cone, and this is a cylinder which we use as a stove, gas stove, and this is like your sphere, your football. This is a Rubik's cube which is like a cube, and this is your compass box which looks like a cuboid. Let's see the differences between 2D and 3D shapes. Whereas you can see 3D shapes forms a shadow. Like you can see a ball has formed a shadow. Like you can see here, this is a plain figure, plain shape. It doesn't form a shadow. 3D shapes have curved surface and flat surface, whereas 2D shapes have only flat surface. 3D shapes have only 3 dimensions, whereas 2D shapes have only 2 dimensions.
Okay students, so these are some 3D shapes. As you can see in this picture are some 2D and 3D shapes. I have told you the differences between 2D and 3D shapes. So 2D shapes have flat surface, 3D shapes have raised or puffy, which are up of the ground. 2D shapes have 2 dimensions, 3D shapes have 3 dimensions. 2D shapes do not form a shadow. 3D shapes forms a shadow. 2D shapes, all plane shapes are 2D shapes. 3D shapes, all solid shapes are 3D shapes.